Nine Arches Bridge, located in Damodara near Ella, Sri Lanka, is a remarkable railway bridge, completed in 1921. During British colonial rule, spanning a deep valley, it features 9 large arches, which is how it got its name. The bridge is renowned for its impressive design and picturesque surroundings, including lush greenery, tea plantations and mountains. It remains an active railway bridge, used by the Sri Lankan Railway for trains travelling between Colombo and Badula. The Nine Arches Bridge has become an important landmark and is often featured in travel and photography publications due to its natural beauty and historical significance. Subscribe Snap Travels and visit Sri Lanka for your next holiday.